All right, guys. So I know I look like trash, but I just got off work. And it's really hot and muggy, and there's a huge storm about to come. I don't know if you can see. Like, look at this. Look how dark those clouds are. So when I left work, it was starting to rain. So work is a half hour from my house. It was raining there, and the thunder and lightning was insane. So now it's just getting here now. I was going to show you guys how the dogs react when there's thunder and lightning going on. This one's still going for food. Are you done with that? Give it to them. Calm Brookie down. You see now she's got her ears back. And she doesn't normally follow me everywhere. She's quite happy to be pretty sedentary. This one follows me everywhere. But she will follow me everywhere now because the thunder scares her. She likes to be close.
Puppies! Puppies! It's gonna be raining puppies.
It's raining dogs. There.
No, puppies! Because then you can get free puppies and have it for a longer time.
Slid silently over to the gate. Because she was going somewhere, maybe to work or to run errands. I got my dolls and other toys and was excited to play with the kids outside. When I got there,
She's hearing it.
the attempt was useless, but then someone approached me. He had puppy eyes and was cute. We quickly became playmates. Even though he was a boy and joined me for tea parties with my dolls, he also invited me to play with him.
Hear another dog. Off in the distance, not very happy. Just some black clouds, yo. Look at that. Anything, Brookie? So this is them right now. Now they're a little distracted because Missy here has some food that she's eating and they want a bit of it. But one of the things that she does, because dogs can hear thunder before we ever can, but she gets very upset when she hears thunder. So she's panting a little bit more than normal because of the thunder, getting a little anxious. This one's okay. It usually takes a bit before she gets too excited. But I'll keep you guys updated.
Thunder?
What?
Sorry about thunder? Who's excited about thunder?
This is exciting. I love a thunder and lightning rainstorm. You don't? Oh, I do. So we'll see. We'll keep you updated when more come through. Okay, still Hot Mess Express. But, so I thought that I was going to have a cool video to show you of like dog temperament or reactions to a big bad storm. And now look, the sun has come out. It's nice again. Didn't even really rain. The dogs are perfectly fine. They're no longer nervous. They're playing. So I guess really this video just turned into some cute clips of my puppies. So
It's still a good video.
true that, yo. So anyway, we're just waiting for the Hubs to get home. We stopped to pick up pizza for the Munchkin. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. What? What? Show them your nails. Look at your nails. Turn them the other way like this. It looks kind of cool from far away. You look up close. It's Putty. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.